The customer accidentally hit the knife, causing a knife to be replaced. The red line is not repaired. Contact us to deal with it. Let's take a look at the knife drive first. Now this alarm does not matter. IT should be the previous master's parameters that have not been restored to the default value. After the system is turned on, you can see that there are many alarms. These are not in charge. Press the power button to restore. Now let's take a look at the position of the main axis and the blade. Here you can see that the position is not much. IT should be that the previous master adjusted it on the spot. Let's search for 6,412 parameters first. You can see that the 0 of 6,412 parameters is now 1. This should also be changed by the previous master. This parameter is the repair mode. The repair mode also needs to change the 1 and 2 of 6,411 parameters to 1. Here, you can see that the parameters have also been changed. If a soft line appears on the C-axis, you need to change the line parameter. There are two places where the soft line can be set. Check both. After changing the line, press the reset button to delete the alarm. Then move the C-axis to the blade reference point. Next, we will change the drive parameters PT27 to 10 into the adjustment mode. Here you can see that the parameters in the drive are 10. IT should be set by the previous master. The default parameter is 0. Then we rotate the blade drive in manual mode. When the blade of the blade warehouse 1 is close to the blade position, you should pay attention. We stop and put the blade on the position of blade 1. You can use a washing knife to reverse the knife to the blade handle. IT is convenient to mark the position of the blade. After installing, we move the blade 1 to the position close to the blade point. Then use a 1000-point watch to mark the position of the blade by moving the X-axis and the blade plate to flatten the bottom of the blade. AT this time, the position of the blade plate is the position of the blade point. AT. This time, you can see that the number of blades shown on the system is 32. We run the M255 original point setting in the input mode. AT this time, we can see that the number of blades has become blade 1. AT this time. It means that the blade warehouse is called 0. We install the knife and change the knife to test it. You can change the knife normally. Change the program and let it run for a while. Let's look at the next problem. Let's look at the alarm record first. The biggest problem with these alarms is the alarm that the power module drops on time. This alarm solves all other alarms at T first. We thought that there was a problem with the drive power module, but after our repeated tests and inspections, we finally found a phenomenon. That is, the power supply circuit that controls the contactor to drive the package to power up has a problem. After restoring the circuit, we restart the package to power up. After confirming that the input voltage is stable and no abnormality, we ask the master at the scene to run an empty test on the machine bed. Finally, after repeated tests, the repair was confirmed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.